Mr. Munshi, this is Ginu Joseph, Editor-in-Chief of Modern Plastics India and Modern Plastics TV. Welcome to AICon conference. It is my privilege to know about your company and the process. Could you tell our viewers something about your company and how do you operate global operations? Then I will come back on the process.
Well, we are at over 20-year-old company. We've got various companies in India as well as we've got various tie-ups in US, Italy, Netherlands, UK. We in fact have an office in UK as well. About 3 years ago, the government of UK had heard about us and they invited us to come and open an office out there, and they would give us whatever infrastructure support they could to ensure that we could promote the polycrack process, which is our in-house patented process, and help them deal with the problem of waste in their country.
That is the biggest problem even India faces today, the challenge of plastic waste. As recent news coming up banning plastics in Maharashtra, like carry bags, it is already below 50 micron is banned, and during this Gudi Padwa, they are planning to ban PET bottles and some more carry bags. So, how does the process work for our country? As you know, it is mixed waste here. How it can help our country?
Plastic is not a problem if you genuinely ask us, okay? Because there are ways to mitigate the problem of plastics at landfill. Point is, what do we do with the end-of-life plastic? Now, if you're just going to leave it and leave the plastic in the environment, it will be scattered all over. Idea is collect the plastics, not just plastics. In fact, the process that we've made does not even require segregation. It can take mixed feed along with moisture content as high as 50% as well. So by banning doesn't serve any purpose. Idea is find solutions to the problems that we have. As far as polycrack is concerned, for India, for a dynamic country like India, where we are still grappling with segregation, is the most ideal solution. Reason being, any household waste which comes, it is always commingled with not just food waste, the food leftover, but it also has plastic. In fact, the bag in which we put the waste itself is made up of plastic. And what goes in is rubber, sanitary ware, and the works. Okay, we can just think about it, what all can go into it. So, since this is a heterogeneous catalytic process in the sense that we don't need to segregate, polycrack is the ideal solution not just for India but across the world.
What message you want to give it to our viewers to keep the environment safe and keep our Mother Earth environment free from plastics or other recyclable waste?
See, till the time there are human beings on Earth, waste will be generated. There's no two ways about it. Either, simply by banning plastic is not going to solve any problem. The message that I would like to give to not the human beings, I would rather like to give a message to the government, okay, that continue doing what you're doing, okay, collection of waste, transportation of waste, taking it to a landfill, do it. Don't stop all of that. By stopping, it's not going to help anything. But once you collect all of that, put it in a polycrack process. Get alternate fuel out of it, because these fuels can also provide, once you convert these fuels into electricity, you can provide electricity to the citizens of this country.
Have you approached the government bodies here for this project? And if you approached, what is the feedback you are getting?
That's an excellent question. Okay, we are all evolving every day. So, thanks to the Modi government, MSW 2016 rules does talk about encouraging newer technologies like ours, which comes up with a solution, which is like a standalone solution. We don't need to have multiple technologies at use at the same point. When we approach these governments, even for them it's a new topic, new subject. We have a plant operating at a place called New Motibag in New Delhi, where almost all the IAS officers stay, not all, 450 IAS officers. And awareness is gaining momentum. People are getting to know about it, they're taking interest. And as awareness amongst normal people, human beings, okay, the citizens of this country is going up, they are asking, okay, what can we do as our contribution to ensure that we can make our country free of the menace of waste?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with Modern Plastics TV. Have a nice time at AICon conference. We wish you all the success and hope someday the globe will be free with all the plastics and all the waste converted into fuel or some gas or some kind of energy. We wish you all the success. Thank you so much for being with us.